Back again with the new topic, arithmetic progression. Today we are going to learn sequence and what is arithmetic progression. To save time, I have written a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order. Like example, you will say natural numbers is called a sequence. So, like you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all natural numbers, or set of whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. So, the set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order. So, there is some particular order in it, and that is called as a sequence. So, now the term in the sequence you will be saying is represented by T1, T2, T3, ... and the last term that is infinite, which is Tn. So, few examples we have written here. For example, 9, 15, 21, 27, ... Okay. So, now what is the first term here? 9. That is T1. It is represented by T1. What is the second term? 15. What is the third term? 21. If they have asked you T4, it is 27. Okay. So, a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order. There is some particular order for this, and this order is called as a sequence. And this sequence, the terms are T1, T2, T3, ... Tn. Here also 7, 7, 7, 7. So, T1 is 7, T2 is 7, T3 is 7. All the terms are same, so 7, 7, 7. If they have asked you the fourth term, it is also 7. Now here, minus 2, minus 6, minus 10, minus 14. What will be the first term? Minus 2. What will be the second term? Minus 6. What is the third term? Minus 10. And what is the fourth term? Minus 14. Okay, so hopefully you have understood what is a sequence. So, sequence is, again I am repeating, nothing but the numbers which are arranged in a definite order. So, now we will see the relation in the sequence. Just now we saw that the numbers are arranged in some definite order. So, let us see the relation in the sequence, or rather we will find out what is the relation. Okay. If you will see 1, 4, 7, 10. So, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So, I can say if I add 1 plus 3, I get 4. Again 4 plus 3, I get 7. 7 plus 3, I get 10. So, what will be the next? 10 plus 3 will be 13. 13 plus 3 will be 16. So, what have we added? We have added 3. Yes, so you can say the difference is 3, and so what? This is having some particular arrangement or a definite order. Similarly, you can try in the second sum, 6, 12, 18, 24. It's the table of 6, means addition of 6, right? So, plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, plus 6, 24, plus 6, 30. Plus 6, I will get 36. Yes. So, again 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So, it is arranged in a definite order. What is the difference? That is 6 between the second and the first term. Now, here 3, 3, 3. So, what you are adding? Nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes, here I have taken one example, 7, 7, 7, 7. So, the difference is nothing but 0, or you have added 0 to the first term to get the second term, and again I am repeating, that is again a definite order. Now, here if you will see, if you are adding something, you don't get anything. 4 plus, no, nothing, you are going to get a particular different arrangement. But yes, if you are going to multiply, you will be getting, or it is a square rather, 4 square is 16, 16 square like that. Now see here, 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. 64 into 4, not plus, into 4 is 256. Yes, and 256 into 4 is 1024. Is 1024. So in these three sums we have added, in this sum we have multiplied. Now again we try to do the next one. Yes, minus 1.5 and this. So the difference is minus 0.5. Okay, so we are going to add. For example, I will write here minus 1 plus minus 0.5. Okay, I will be getting minus 1.5. Again here, sorry, minus 1.5 plus minus 0.5, I will be getting this 2. Again here minus 2.5 plus 0.5, I will be getting what? 3. Minus, both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign. So I will be getting minus 3. Okay, so here the difference is minus 0.5, minus 0.5, minus 0.5. So now what similarity you see in all the 5 examples? You are seeing similarity in the first, second, third and fifth, that you are adding something. Okay, whereas only in the fourth you are multiplying something. Okay, so remember this, we are adding something in a sequence. So if you are going to say the similarity in all these terms is by obtaining, you are adding what? To get the second term you are adding something. Okay, so when you are adding something, it is called as an arithmetic progression. And when you are multiplying something, it is not an arithmetic progression, but it is an geometric progression. Okay, try to understand. When you are trying to get the second term in a sequence by adding something, then you are saying it is an arithmetic progression. And if you are multiplying it, it is said to be a geometric progression. But for you, this time you are learning arithmetic progression. So hopefully sequences you have understood, and a little bit of what is a arithmetic progression, but nothing but a sequence which is arranged in an order where the difference is constant. It is called as an arithmetic progression. Okay, so now just I will take what is arithmetic progression again for you. So hopefully this is clear. So we saw the relation in the sequence that there is something constant, and when there is something constant, then it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, now for example, I will be saying, suppose I am having a sequence. Suppose if I am having a sequence 100, 70, 40, 10, and they have asked you to find the next 2. Okay, so this is a sequence and they have asked you to find out the next terms. Okay, so if you will see again the difference, 70 minus 100 will be minus 30, 40 minus 70 will be minus 30, 10 minus 40 will be minus 30. In short, you are adding minus 30 to get the next term. Okay, so now I will be saying 100 plus minus 30, I will be getting minus 70. Am I right? Again, what I will be writing? 70 plus minus 30, I will be getting 40. Again, 40 plus minus 30, I will be getting 10. So now, again what I will be writing? 10 plus minus 30. Yes, what I will be getting? Minus 20. Again, minus 20 plus minus 30. What I will be getting? Minus 50. So the difference is minus 30. Yes, so I got the next term by adding minus 30. Okay, similarly I will take now the second example for you. Now the second example, minus 7, minus 4, I will write little near, minus 4, okay, then minus 1, minus 2, 5 and you are going to find out. So now what is the difference? If you see minus 4, minus 7, one is plus, one is minus, minus with greater number sign. So it will be what? 3. So minus 7 plus 3 will give you minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 will give you minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 will give you minus 2. Not minus 2, only 2, okay, sorry, 2. And now 2 plus 3 will give you 5. And 5 plus 3 will give you 8. So, what is the common difference? 3. Okay, so the difference between the second term and the first term is 3. So, what we have done? Added 3 and we have got the next terms. Okay, now if you will see, we will take the third example. What is the third example? 4, 4, 4, 4. So again what you are going to add? 0. 4 plus 0 I will get 4. 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 So again here 4, here 4, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 0. Just like this one. Okay. So now these are all sequences, again I am repeating, which is having a definite order. And what is that order or what is that relation? We found out that when you add to the first term minus 30 in this case, you are getting 70. When you are adding minus 30 to 70, you are getting 40. So here you are adding negative number. Okay. Here if you see minus 7 plus minus 4, you are going to get 3. So here it is what? Positive number. And here it is 0. Yes. So in this case, for just example, you are adding negative number, here you are adding positive number, here you are adding 0. Okay. So every consecutive number is having some difference, and that difference here is minus 30, here it is plus 3 and here it is 0. So this difference is constant in first, second, third, fourth and so forth. So this difference which is constant is called as, or this full sequence is called therefore as arithmetic progression, first thing. And for that matter, the first term, that is T1, is also said as A. And here in the first example it is 100. In the second example it is minus 7. In the third example it is 4. Okay. So T1 is equal to nothing but A. T1 is nothing but A in a particular arithmetic progression. So a sequence, when it is arranged in a definite order and whose what difference is constant, is said to be an arithmetic progression. And for that matter, the first term is always represented as A, and we write, in this case it is 100, in this case it is minus 7, in this case it is 4. So, and the difference, we say it is common difference and it is represented by small d, and that is nothing but in the first case minus 30, in the second case it is 3, and in the third case it is 0. So the common difference can be negative, it can be positive, it can be 0. Okay. So hopefully sequence, what is sequence you have understood, and what is arithmetic progression you have understood. Okay. Now we will do few examples based on arithmetic progression. Okay. And if it is an AP, find the next two. If AP, find the next two terms. Okay, this is the usual question asked for 2 marks. Okay, so now this will be the sequence 5, 12, 19 and 26. Okay, dot 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 of course. Now I told you this is nothing but T1, that is nothing but A. and just find out the common difference. That is how you are going to find out. This is your T2, this is your T3, and this is your T4. Okay, so you are going to find out T2 minus T1, that is 12 minus 5, that is equal to 7. Again you try T3 minus T2, that is 19 minus 12, that is also 7. You can find out 2, 3, and you are going to see that this 7 is constant. Okay, so the difference, so common difference D is nothing but 7. So because T1 is 5 and the common difference 7 is constant, the given sequence is an AP. Okay, now they have asked you, if it is an AP, find out the next two terms. So what you are going to do? Just now I told you, in AP you are just adding, right? So you are just going to write, what is this? T1, T2, T3, T4. Yes, so T4 plus D is equal to T5. Yes, T4 is how much? 26. D is 7, and that is 6 plus 6, 12 and 1, 13, carry 1, 33. 33 is your T5. T6 is T4 plus, not T4, T5 plus D, that is 33 plus 7, that is 40. So the next two terms that is we are taking is as 33, and the next one will be 40. So this is how you are going to find out the next two terms. So what is that? T5, we got T1, T2, T3, T4. We wanted T5 and T6. So T5 is nothing but T4 plus D, that is 26 plus 7. T6 is nothing but T5 plus D, that is so and so, so and so. So the arithmetic progression is 5, 12, 19, 26, 33, 40. Yes? Dot, 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 of course. They have asked you only the next two terms. Now we are going to take one more example. Again the same thing. They have asked you whether the sequence is an arithmetic progression. So first you are going to write the first term, and then you are going to find out the common difference. If the common difference is constant, then it is a arithmetic progression. Okay. So the second question is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, dot, dot, dot. They have asked you to find out the next two terms again in this case. So I will be writing here again same way. T1 is 1, T2 is 1, T3 is 2, T4 is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, T5 is 3, and T6 is 3. Yes, so I'll find out the common difference. T2 minus T1 is nothing but 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then T3 minus T2, that is 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Then T4 minus T3, T4 minus T3, T4 is 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Then I'll write T5 minus T4. T5 is how much? 3 minus T4 is how much? 2, that is 1. Is the common difference same? No. So in this case, this is not an AP at all. Okay. So the common difference, that is D, is not, or you can write like this, D is not constant. Therefore, the given sequence is not an AP. So finding the next two terms doesn't arise only. Okay. Got it? So this type of sums also can come. Now we'll take one more example. So the common difference should be constant. Then only it is an AP. Now we will take an example. 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 10. Again I will write T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to minus 2, T3 is equal to minus 6 and T4 is equal to minus 10. So T1 is 2, T2 is minus 2, T3 is minus 6, T4 is minus 10. Now we will find the common difference. T2 minus T1 minus 2 minus 2. Both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign. T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 6 minus T2 is minus 2. That is nothing but minus 6 plus 2. That is minus 4. T4 minus T3. T4 is minus 10 minus T3 is minus 6. That is minus 10 plus 6. Minus into minus plus. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Minus with greater number sign. Minus 4. So you see minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. The common difference is constant. So I am going to write D is minus 4, which is constant. Therefore, the sequence is an AP. Now, once they have asked you to find out whether it is an AP, you have found out it is an AP. The previous sum, it was not an AP, so the next two terms we did not find. Now, we have to find the next two terms because it is an AP. So, what I will be doing is, I have got T4. So, in AP, I told you, you are adding the common difference. So, T5 is equal to T4 plus D. That is nothing but T4 is minus 10 plus D is nothing but minus 4. Both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign, that is minus 14. Then T6 is nothing but T5 plus D. That is T5 is, you got minus 14 plus common difference is minus 4. Both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign, that is minus 18. So which are the next two terms? Minus 14 and minus 18. So this is how is the sequence. 2 comma minus 2 minus 6 comma minus 10 comma minus 14 comma minus 18 is the given sequence. Okay. So this is how usually the question comes, which are the AP and find the next two terms. So we have found out this. One more sum, we will try to do it. They have given the sequence 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 2. Okay. So let us first find out whether it is an AP. So for that matter, first what you are writing? T1 is nothing but 3 upon 2, T2 is nothing but 1 upon 2 and T3 is nothing but minus 1 upon 2 and T4 is nothing but minus 3 upon 2 again. So now we are finding out common difference. So you are writing T2 minus T1. T2 is 1 upon 2 minus, what is T1? 3 upon 2. Common denominator is 2. So 1 minus 3. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Minus with greater number sign. Minus 2 upon 2. This will get cancelled. Minus 1. Next, T3 minus T2. What is T3? Minus 1 upon 2. Minus, what is T2? 1 upon 2. Again, denominator is 2. Minus 1, minus 1. That is minus 2 upon 2. Both are minus. You are going to do plus with minus sign. And again it will get cancelled. 1s are, that is minus 1. Now again, T4 minus T3 is nothing but minus 3 upon 2 minus T3 is minus 1 upon 2. That is nothing but minus 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. That is common denominator 2 minus 3 plus 1. That is minus 2 upon 2. That is again 1. Minus 1, sorry. Okay. So you will see the common difference is minus 1, minus 1. So it is an AP. So you are going to write common difference D is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. Okay. Once you do that, they have asked you to find out the next two terms. So I have told you the T4th term we have given. So T5 is nothing but T4 plus D in arithmetic progression. It is addition of the common difference. So T4 you have got what? Minus 3 upon 2 plus what is the common difference? Minus 1 upon 1. Yes, I will be doing cross multiplication. Minus 3 minus 2 upon 2. That is, both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign, minus pi upon 2. Yes, now next is T6. That is T5 plus D. What is my T5 I got now? Minus 5 upon 2 plus what is my D? Minus 1. What is the meaning of this? Upon 1. What I am going to do? Cross multiply. Plus into minus, minus, minus 5. Plus into minus, minus 2 upon 2 ones are 2. Minus, both are minus, you are going to do plus with minus sign. That is minus 7 upon 2. So these are the required next two terms of this particular arithmetic progression. That is minus pi upon 2 and minus 7 upon 2. Okay. So usually the sums come in this way. So please practice up today's lecture again. Okay. Hope you are practicing at home, and now that we are going to continue further in the next lecture, maybe arithmetic progression, few more sums. Okay. So till then, tata, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe. God bless you all.